Hi, I'm Susannah Braidwaring of Aspirin Business, and we are senior practitioners of Motivational Maps, just one of 5 globally. So what are Motivational Maps? So maps are a fantastic way to understand and to quantify human needs and their behaviour at an individual, team and organisational level. And they look a bit like this in terms of the report that you get back. So why would you use Motivational Maps? There are probably 50 different ways because human needs and human behaviours are so integral into everything we do. But the top 2 ways that maps are used are, first of all, for starting a great coaching conversation. For anyone who is already out there doing coaching professionally or trying a coaching method to have great conversations with their teams, knowing where to start, knowing how to get into those conversations can actually be quite difficult. Whereas doing a motivational map already highlights exactly what the person needs, what they're getting and what they're missing out on. It takes a conversation to a whole different level because you can look at a report together and work through it in a non-judgmental way to understand what's happening and how to actually start improving things. So as a way to increase self-awareness and emotional intelligence, and therefore to get into those great coaching conversations, it's fantastic. The second way is on a team level. It's difficult as a manager to always understand what motivates your team, what's most important for them. And I've been there and done that, and it's embarrassing after a few years to turn around and say to your team, actually, I don't really know what motivates you. So the motivational map is a fantastic way for managers to actually understand their teams, understand their behaviour, and therefore to be able to have those conversations, to be able to adapt their own management style, and to be able to really understand who's doing well, who's struggling, what they need and what they're missing out on. So again, a fantastic way for teams and their managers to understand themselves and each other. So, intrigued? How do you then start to use motivational maps? Well, as you can see from the report, they are designed to be user-friendly. And I should know because I'm an ergonomist. So they're designed to be easy for the individual to read and to understand themselves, but that's only scratching the surface. To get the real depth and the quality, you need to engage an accredited motivational map practitioner. As senior practitioners, we have a team of about 140 map practitioners globally, most of whom we have trained ourselves. And there's a 5-step process to being accredited. It's simple and it's relatively inexpensive for trained coaches and for HR professionals. So step number 1 is about completing a motivational map. Step number 2 is about having a feedback session with myself to feedback on your motivational map so you understand it, you've been through that process, but also to understand how do you want to get value from the motivational maps, how's it going to add value to what you do already. The third step is then to do the e-learning. So the e-learning is a series of videos by me where you understand the fundamentals of motivation and the fundamentals of all the motivators and motivational maps. Step 4, you come here and you have a 1-day interactive workshop where we take those fundamentals, we play, we construct, you quickly learn to analyse the data and to be able to understand how to debrief and how to improve the motivation. And then step 5 is a confirmation of learning to make sure that we and you are happy with the quality and the detail of the knowledge that you have to be able to go out there and use the motivational maps. And then finally, you join our family of motivational map practitioners. We have monthly web conferences and we have we organise the European, the global motivational map conference. You get technical support as well. So for more information, we have a separate website for our map practitioners and for HR professionals and coaches called Motivated Performance. So please visit the website motivatorperformance.co.uk. Thank you.